Sometimes when we're manipulating fractions, we're going to end up with a fraction that we call improper. An improper fraction is a fraction such as this, 17 over 8. The reason why this is called improper is because the numerator is larger than the denominator. I often refer to these as top-heavy. The fraction is top-heavy. The numerator is larger than the denominator. What you need to do when you have an improper fraction is you need to change it into something called a mixed number. A mixed number is a number that includes a whole number and a fraction. The way that we convert an improper fraction into a mixed number is simply through division. What happens here is when we write our division problem, our numerator becomes our dividend. That's the number inside of the division bar. So we would put 17 here. And then our denominator becomes our divisor, the number that we're dividing by. So we would put 8 here. Really, fractions are division problems. The numerator is always divided by the denominator. So you simply change your fraction into a division problem. What you do then is you do the division. 8 divides into 17 about 2 times. The 2 that we put here is going to become our whole number. 2 times 8 is 16. We subtract to find our remainder. The remainder that you have becomes part of the fraction. The way that we write our remainder as a fraction is we take this remainder of 1, and 1 becomes our numerator. So we're going to put a 1 here. And then what you do for your denominator, for your mixed number, is you use the divisor, which was your original denominator anyhow. So you keep the original denominator that you started with. So here, our denominator would be 8. This is how you convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. Again, what you do is you rewrite the fraction as a division problem. What you need to remember is that the numerator is your dividend. It goes inside. Your denominator is your divisor. It goes outside. Then you do the division problem. The number that you get for the dividing, in this case it was 8 divides into 17 2 times. That's your whole number. You complete the division problem and get your remainder. What you do then is you write your remainder as a fraction. And the way that you do that is you take your remainder, which is 1, that becomes your numerator, and your divisor becomes the denominator, which was your original denominator anyhow. That is how you convert an improper fraction into a mixed number.